Every woman knows this voice. The old self whispers, stay small, stay quiet, stay comfortable. It says you're too tired, too busy, too broken to change. But deep inside another voice rises, the new self, the one that craves strength, health, radiance. The one who says, I deserve more, I am worth the effort, I will take care of me. And that's where the battle begins. The old you feeds on doubt. It craves fast food, skipped workouts, empty promises. It tells you, you'll start Monday, you'll do it later. But later never comes. The new you is different. She honors her body with movement. She fuels herself with foods that love her back. She doesn't wait for perfect timing, she creates it. Every glass of water, every rep, every healthy choice. She's proving she loves herself enough to change. Listen, the old you doesn't get to win this time. The new you is stronger, fiercer, unstoppable. Every squat, every run, every bite of clean food, it's not punishment, it's a love letter to yourself. You are not your old habits, you are not your excuses. You are reborn, you are powerful, you are free. There will be mornings when the old you comes back, seductive, soft, whispering, rest. Skip today, you deserve it. But you'll recognize that voice. You'll remember the heavy days, the bloating, the exhaustion, the mirror that reflected a stranger. And you'll smile, because that's not your story anymore. The new you chooses differently. She chooses life, she chooses energy, she chooses confidence. Every time you step into the gym, every time you nourish instead of numb, you bury the old you deeper into the past. Self-love isn't bubble baths and candles, it's discipline. It's showing up for yourself when no one's watching. It's sweating out the doubt, it's saying no to the old ways and yes to the future you deserve. The old you wants shortcuts, the new you knows the truth. Consistency is the key, and you're ready to turn the key every single day. Queen, stand up, push harder. This body is yours. This life is yours. You are not weak. You are not small. You are strong, radiant, unstoppable. Feel the sweat on your skin. It's proof of your power. Feel the burn in your muscles. It's proof of your resilience. Feel the pride in your chest. It's proof you are finally choosing you. This is not about fitting into jeans. This is not about looking like anyone else. This is about reclaiming your strength. This is about loving yourself enough to become the woman you were always meant to be. You are beautiful. You are strong. You are worthy. You are the new you. And you are here to stay. Remember why you started. Remember the tears, the moments you looked in the mirror and said, something has to change. That woman was not weak, she was brave. She lit the fire that burns inside you today, and because of her, you are here. The old you has surrendered. The new you is alive, glowing, unstoppable. So rise!